Right off here.
Yeah, you can try to push it out.
Oh,
You want some pliers or something?
Yeah.
Or a file? Here.
No,
Yeah,
this bitch is stationary.
Yeah. What about the other side?
No.
Can you move them at all?
No.
No?
I ain't trying to break something, you know?
Try the other one again. See if you can move that. No, because it's all one piece connected to the other side.
Ain't gonna move nowhere.
Very interesting.
That's very sucky. Well. Shit.
Yeah. So.
Well, let me get some.
That's what we were afraid of.
Yeah.
Probably could have guessed that wasn't gonna happen that easy. Ow, fuck.
You
Just hit
got
myself.
Oh, go ahead.
What are you doing?
Gonna take some snips and pull off that little bit of shred.
Pause this for a minute.